I got this lamp for about 5 years for my bedroom. Then it went to the guest room and now it's coming to my living room with a new style. I want to give it a shabby chic modern style, so I'm going to start covering it with this beautiful lace from Temu. Stay here with me and enjoy how simple you can transform your old decorations to a new style. Just with the lace, it looks so beautiful, but I'm going to add some ribbons, pearls, and flowers. Oh my god, I have stuff from Michael's, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree. The most cheapest things that you can't imagine. Not everything in crafting is easy. I'm trying to pass the yellow ribbon through the holes of the lace and look at me. Look at me, I can't. I think this is gonna take me forever. Woohoo! If you still here with me, you are awesome! Thank you very much. If you want to help me more, like this video and share so more people can be part of my YouTube channel. Many blessings for helping me. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye!